Hi, my name is Sophia and I'm excited to share with you a set of compression bags that I recently bought for my travel needs by Carry On Express. I love them so much that I actually want to demo exactly how I use them when I travel. In fact, I bought a set for my partner as well because he tends to be a little disorganized when we travel, and so it helps make everything for us more efficient. In this first bag that I use, I place all of my shirts, which fit so nicely inside the bag I can zip it right up and then place it in the first half of my carry-on luggage. The second bag I fill up with all of my pants, my jeans, which slide nicely inside this bag, and when I'm done using this bag, I can actually transfer my dirty laundry inside so that it protects the rest of my clean clothes from all the smells that collect from dirty laundry. This fits so nicely into the second half of my carry-on luggage as well. Within these two sets, I actually get 4 smaller carry-on express bags as well, and I can put into each of these the smaller things that often get lost in your luggage when you're trying to get ready in the morning. The first bag, I have all of my belts and my bras, and I can place this in the first quarter of my carry-on luggage, and it fits so nicely in that first part. The second bag that I use, I actually fill up with all of my undershirts and tank tops and the smaller things that I wear under my clothes, and yet again fits right into 1/4 of my carry-on bag. The third bag here, I filled up with my socks and underwear and all of those smaller things that you use underneath your clothes. And then the last bag, which is actually my favorite, I fill up with all of my toiletries, which include my shampoos and conditioners and my makeup, as well as my jewelry, and all of these separate smaller bags that I usually have to remember separately when I go to the bathroom. But when using this small compression bag, I can just carry one item. On top of that, when I go through security, I don't have to worry about looking for the liquids and all of those extra things that they ask to double check on the conveyor belt. I can just place this one compression bag onto the conveyor belt and I'm set to go. At the end of the day, I can then put my shoes on top of this whole stack, and it protects all of the dirt that comes from my shoes from getting on my clothes. When I'm finished packing, I can just zip up my suitcase just like that, and there's extra room to spare for any gifts that I want to bring home for me when I'm done traveling. I absolutely love this set of bags, and I really hope that this demo shows you how you can really efficiently pack, and perhaps you can share it with your friends as well, because this is such a great way to make your life so much easier.